How to fix ineligible country on Facebook. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're in here, move into General. The option of language and region will be visible to you. Move into it. Right here you can see that the region is set to Nepal, but if it is eligible for Facebook, then from here you can change the region. Select any of the specific country. From here, you can choose any of the region that you want to. Once the region has been changed, the next thing you want to do is go back to the settings and in the search bar, search for location. Option of reset location and privacy will be visible to you. Click on it. At the bottom, tap on reset and then click on reset location and privacy. You will have to enter the passcode of your device. Once you have entered, once again tap on reset location. After that, your location will be reset and it might fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app might fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix ineligible country on Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.